Confirmed, the serial number matches.
Good. And the dimensions?
They're spot on.
Looks good. We can proceed. Agreed. Rotate it clockwise to align the base. Okay, adjusting now. Perfect. Now confirm the changes.
This section is within tolerance.
Good. Check the alignment on the next fin.
Looks good. Just one more spot.
Okay.
Press down! There! Good hit. Lift it. Panel alignment is within spec.
Good. Let's check the starboard side.
Agreed. The sensor array is next.
Noted.
See this seam? It needs to be flush. Got it. I'll check the alignment. Good. And run a scanner on it. Pressure's spiking in zone B.
I see it. Rerouting flow now.
Good. Level stabilizing?
Yes, back to normal. Check this rivet here. It looks loose. Noted. I'll mark it on the plan. Good. Let's keep moving. Readings are stable. Proceed to the next section.
Confirmed. Moving to the rivet line now.
Data is syncing. Looks good.
Grid is stable. Proceeding with the scan. Copy that. Monitor shows alignment is good. Acknowledged. Moving to the next section. Okay, let's check the alignment.
The model matches. See here?
Good. Let's verify the rivets.
They align.
Adjusting parameters now. Levels are stabilizing. Okay, rotate it clockwise on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. Hold it there. Check the alignment. Align the flange there. Got it. Turning now. Good. Now secure the bolt. Done. Looks solid. Panel alignment looks good. Checking the rivets.
Copy that. No issues on the log.
Handing you the tool.
Got it. Hand me the coupler.
Here you go. It's secure.
Looks good. I'll check the latch.
Okay, pointing to the next anchor.
Got it.
Hold it steady. Got it. Next one. Moving. Check the upper alignment.
Looks good. No shifts. Okay, proceed.
Clear. Moving to next. Ready to lift. Up slow.
Straps tight. Clear.
Looks good. Steady now. To the right. Systems check complete. We're operational.
Confirmed, all green here too.
Excellent. Let's proceed. All right, let's get this bundle aligned.
Got it. I'll start taping.
Good. Now crimp the end.
Looks solid. Check the nav bus. Is it showing green? Not yet. Reseating the connector. Okay, try the auxiliary now. On it.
Okay, line it up with the strut. Got it. Pushing in, steady, engage the lock. Locked, we're clear. All right, take it up slow. Copy that, lifting now. How's the alignment? Looks good, hold it, holding. Hold it steady.
It's secure. Go.
One more. This joint is secure.
Confirmed. I'll log it.
Good. Check the hydraulics.
All clear. We're good.
Check the engine mount alignment here.
Confirmed. Specs are in tolerance.
Good. Let's check the gear next.
Make sure that's sealed tight along the edge.
Got it. Checking for bubbles now.
Good. Next section.
Vapor's rising. Check the coupling.
Looks secure. Power levels are green.
Good. Let's clear the area. Check the landing gear pins. All clear on this side. Confirmed. Moving to the engines.
Thruster alignment complete. Engaging stabilizers. Power level stable, awaiting confirmation.